22. The special arrangement of DNA helical structure creates major and minor groove which are important for thinking and binding of helical structure. Option B is providing recognition and binding site for various DNA binding protein. Option C is all of above. The correct option is option B. 23. Which of following base pair rule in true? Adenine pair with guanine and thymine pair with cytosine. Option B is adenine pair with thymine and guanine pair with cytosine. Option D is adenine pair with cytosine, guanine pair with thymine. Option D is DNA base pairing is not specific. The correct option is option B, adenine, thymine, guanine, cytosine. हम इसको आसानी के साथ इस तरह याद कर सकते हैं ATGC. 24. Which of following are the characteristics feature of DNA replication? DNA replication is template directed. DNA replication required short RNA primers. DNA replication is a highly accurate process. And option D is all of the above. The correct option is option D, all of above. 25. The short strand of primer is required for replication of DNA. DNA का प्राइमर रिक्वायर होता है, RNA का प्राइमर रिक्वायर होता है, हिस्टोन का या HNA RNA का. तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन बी, RNA. 26. Which of following enzyme makes a break in strand of DNA to release the supercoiling and facilitate replication to occur? DNase protein, single stranded binding proteins, DNA polymerase, topoisomerase. Correct option is option D. DNA polymerase 3 holoenzyme poses polymerase activity only, 3 to 5 endonuclease activity, 3 to 5 exonuclease activity and polymerase activities. D, 5 to 3 exonuclease activity. The correct option is option C, 3 to 5 exonuclease activity and polymerase activities. 28. In eukaryotes, DNA polymerase alpha is multi-subunit enzyme with different function. They includes option A, elongation of leading strand, option B, 3 to 5 exonuclease activity, option C, initiation and synthesis of RNA primer, option D, high processivity. The correct option is option C, initiation and synthesis of RNA polymerase. Important enzymes and their function which are used in DNA replication. Helicase, unwind the DNA double helix. Gyrase, relieves the buildup of torque during unwind. Primase, lays down RNA primer. DNA polymerase 3, main DNA synthesis enzyme. DNA polymerase 1, replace RNA primers with DNA. Ligase, fills in gap. DNA polymerase 2, repairing function. DNA replication steps, मेनली यहाँ पे जो स्टेप्स DNA रेप्लिकेशन के दौरान होते हैं उनमें सबसे पहला जो है स्टेप, रिकॉग्नाइजेशन ऑफ इनिशिएशन पॉइंट. सेकंड स्टेप, अनवाइंडिंग ऑफ DNA. Third step, template DNA. Fourth step, DNA primer. Fifth, chain elongation. Sixth, replication fork. Next step is proofreading. And last step is removal of RNA primer and completion of DNA strands.